Can you imagine receiving a court notice? You know you must appear before the judge, but you're terrified because of hearing itself. Why? Because you fear being arrested the moment you enter the court. That's right, that particular fear has become a reality for many undocumented immigrants across the US. This particular week, a federal court in California issued a very important nationwide order saying that immigration authorities cannot carry out civil arrest inside immigration court. Big relief. Well, the particular decision came after a class action lawsuit argued that many immigrants had stopped attending their hearing because they fear immediate detention and deportation. In the meantime, the judge observed that immigration courts should remain places where people they seek justice, not places where fear prevents them from even appearing before the court. Well, this ruling also places limits on how long immigrants can be kept inside ICE holding facilities, stating that they should not be held for extended period without any proper legal process. For thousands of immigrants, including Indians, waiting for asylum hearing, the order has provided temporary relief. However, legal experts they believe the story is far from over. The Trump administration is expected to challenge the particular decision before a higher court. In fact, previous immigration rulings have often been overturned during appeals, meaning that this particular relief it may not last forever. In the meantime, America's immigration courts they are already dealing with millions of pending cases. Hearings are delayed for years, courtrooms remain overcrowded. Every new government policy that creates fresh uncertainty for people who are just waiting for the decisions. In the meantime, for Indian immigrants with pending cases, the whole legal system it has become increasingly unpredictable. Well, one court ruling it offers hope. Another appeal it could take it away. That uncertainty has become one of the biggest challenges facing immigrants today. Well, when you connect every single story that we discussed tonight, one message becomes impossible to ignore. Well, the American dream is definitely changing. For generations, America represented one simple promise: hard work, follow the rules, and your future will be secured. But tonight's story paints a very, very different picture. Millions of Americans they are struggling to pay their monthly bills. AI is now changing workplaces faster than many expected. Thousands of tech professionals are losing jobs. Indian H-1B workers returning home are finding India's job market equally competitive. Families are struggling to sell homes that they once believed would secure their future. Immigration lawyers are facing unprecedented investigation, and immigration remains uncertain about their and immigrants remain uncertain about their legal status despite court victories. Well, the American dream has not disappeared, but it is certainly becoming more and more complicated.